This video will show you how to calculate cost of goods sold and net sales using a function using a data dictionary. I will run these functions now. We get cost of goods purchased and net sales. I will show you how to make these functions. In order to calculate cost of goods sold, we need to calculate the cost of goods purchased, determine the cost of goods available for sale by adding the cost of goods purchased to the beginning inventory, determine ending inventory based on inventory count, and calculate cost of goods sold by subtracting the ending inventory from cost of goods available for sale. The first thing we need to do is create an empty data dictionary. Then we need to know freight shipping. These are the costs, and assign that to 150. Now that we have our data dictionary, we create our function. Time to create our function for cost of goods purchased. We need net purchases. Net purchases require purchases, purchases return allowances, and purchase discounts. Next, we need to calculate COGS. We take the net purchases and then add freight shipping, and then we print it out. Let's call our function. Our dictionary is called company. We get cost of goods purchased 3,580. For net sales function, we need to know sales, sales return allowances, and sales discount. Again, we can use the company and append our information. Now we create our net sales function. Net sales is sales minus sales returns allowance. Then we print it out. Now we call our function. Then we get net sales 3,430.